Hello YouTube, my name is Zarrex, as you can tell from my own channel, and I am honored and pleased and excited to be on this collab channel with Amber the Therian and Wolf Queen 100. And here's some stuff about me. I, of course, am a Wolf Therian, and their names are Muddy Silver and Birch. Although my name is actually Victoria and not Zarrex. Zarrex Wolf is just a YouTube name. Anyways, Muddy Silver, he's a gray wolf with gray-green eyes, and he's hot-headed, and he is a hunter. And Birch, he is a white wolf who's also an alpha, and his eyes are brown. He's calm and loves to stare at the sky. And right now, sorry about the long pause. Anyways, I don't currently have Therian gear because I don't have money, but I hope to soon, and that's why I'm not wearing a collar. Although I have a tail somewhere. Oh, it's on my book bag. Anyways, stick around for great content on this channel. There will be great content, great people, and great Therian related things, so stick around for more great content. Even though this video isn't great content, but anyways, have a great day, YouTube.